Hey, hello again, MA21 Abel here. Just a quick look video, this new piece of kit I bought, Yugoslav mess kit. Here it is here in the pack, and for size comparison next to the more European style or American style water bottle and pouch, and got a canteen cup inside. So just to compare the two in size and that sort of thing. So here it is here. Comes in a pouch. You have to use belt loops on the back, but a lightweight canvas pouch, pretty good. As you can see, it's got its own KFS set inside, and it does come out. Here we go. Just got caught on the clip there. So it's quite heavy duty, stainless steel sort of one. Pretty big spoon, fork and knife, and I assume this is like a bottle opener, can opener, but I haven't tried it, so don't know exactly. So that goes in there, pretty good. And this is the actual kit. So it's got this metal clip here which holds it together, and comes in there. This here, I looked it up on Google Translate. It says not put in the fire. I think that's what it was, and the Google Translate said that, which is similar to a similar idea to this one here. Do not put to open flame or burner. So similar idea. Do not put in the fire and melt it. So we'll just open this up here. There we go, just a bit tight. So this is the sort of like the cooking pot. Again here, you can see there, don't put in the fire. This is a little cup. Water bottle, again, don't put in the fire. Plastic one. Though I assume this would be water or maybe something to do with your cooking, not for drinking, because you had this on your belt, like in the pouch, and you want to drink some water, you'd have to pull all this apart just to get your water bottle out. So obviously they carry a separate water bottle for your drinking, and this is for actual cooking or washing up. This is the pot here. Handle folds down like that, so you can cook. Some sort of aluminium, and this would be paint. I was thinking about trying it over a fire just to see how it works, so I might make another video just on that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-piece kit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the KFS knife in this 5-piece kit. Pretty interesting. Good. I'm going to include it into one of my bags because I think it is quite viable to work. Just to go do with the size. I think there's a couple of videos online with these already, but anyway. So the cooking pot itself is about 4 inches, 10 centimeters high. Width is around 3 inches, 8 centimeters. And across the bottom is just on 5 inches, just under 12 centimeters. The water bottle, the bottle itself is 5 inches by like 4.5 inches, and 2 3/4 inches, something like that, 7 centimeters. And the little cup, I'll measure it all, but it's got a 2 inches by 2 inches by 2 inches high, 2 inches wide, and length 3.5 inches. And your bowl, I suppose this would be the bowl for your food, to eat your food in. 3.5 inches tall, width across the bottom just on 3 inches, and the length across here 4.5 inches. So just give you a basic idea how it all fits together. Not a bad sort of kit. So compared to like this one here, pull that out. So we just have a mug for cooking or drinking and the water bottle, so you'd have to include your spoon extra and sorry about the noise there. Anyway, so you'd have to include, you can use this as a cooking pot, but then you've got a little bowl, so it's not a bad kit, goes all together. There we go, fits in there, this fits on here, fits on here, and it's back together, clean it all. So anyway, quick look at the Yugoslav mess kit. Sent me a try label. Thanks for watching. Remember, stay ready, stay alert, prepper. Stay prepared. Endure to the end. Don't give up, people. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, like. Bye bye for now.